So this is how you manage the inventory with Colibri. So first you go on the left menu and you click inventory. You can scroll and see the other product available at your school. So if you go up, you can see service, you can see the package, as well as the attestation. For this tutorial, we're going to talk about the inventory. Um, there's always default inventory that is created when you start with the system. And you have a few options on the right side. So if you click on the little eye icon, you can view the inventory history. So let's say that we take a look at the driving manual. You can see that we receive 50 book on August 7 and we sold one to Shantarina, which is a student, on August 8th. You can edit a product. If you do that, you can change the name, you can add a description, you can decide which tasks apply to your student. You can modify the price. So let's say you need to change the price of a product, you can change it, and the new price will be only applicable when you add it to a new student file. It will not change the price of the book that was added on previously on a student file. You can decide if it's available for online registration. And let's say that product is no longer offered in your school. You can simply inactivate the product to remove it from your self-registration page, as well as the drop-down menu when you sell a product to a student. You can as well delete a product, but we recommend to not do that. It's better to inactivate it. And the other option you have is to create an inventory transaction. So let's say that you just receive 50 book again. You can save the transaction date and you can add a note. So let's say you can add a comment, you can submit, and the inventory will change. The other scenario is that, let's say you want to give a book to a new instructor. You can manage your inventory with the minus sign. So let's say I remove one book today, and you can add a note, book for, and then you submit. And as you can see, the inventory will be adjusted with the new information.